Right, this is problem number 4, based on fraction and decimal. Let us solve this also. Right, if x is equal to 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 and y is equal to 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6, then the value of 1 by x divided by 1 by y. So let us check out here x. Let me simplify x. What they have given is equal to 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. Now take a LCM for this. Right, so 4 and 3, so it is going to be 12. Right, 3 4s are 4 2s are 8 plus 4 3s are 3 3s are 9. This is going to become 17 by 12. So now we found the value of x. Similarly, let us find the value of y. Y is equal to 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6. Now we need to take a LCM for 4 and 6. Right, 4 and 6. Let me go with this. 2 2s are 2 3s are. Right, LCM will be 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12 LCM. Right, 12 is the LCM. Now 4 3s are 3 3s are 9 plus 6 2s are 2 5s are 10. So this will become 19 by 12. Right, now we need to find out. So y value is 19 by 12 and x value is 17 by 12. So let us check out here the value of 1 by x, that divided by value of 1 by y. Right, let me substitute the value of x here. This is going to be 1 by x, that is going to be 1. Right, so 17 by 12, that divided by 1. Right, 19 by 12. Right, this, so automatically what, the denominator of the denominator portion will goes to numerator. This will become 12 by 17, that divided by 12 by 19. Right, now so you know how to divide the fraction division. That is going to be what happens, 12 by 17 into, right, so you need to write a reciprocal of this, that is going to be 19 by 12. Right, 12 will be cancelled. The answer you are going to get is 19 by 17. Option D is the right one.